Alright, let's get back.
Once upon a time, where life was simple, trees fell left and right, and the bridge's boards fell loose constantly within Zeebill's presence, lived Chipper and his son Tyke. Chipper was proud of his wood-chopping offspring with the success of his company, Chipper and Sons Lumber Co. After the father tree was demolished by Tyke, the beavers lived in harmony in their happy cabin. Along with that, Tyke had success on his last date with a fellow beaver named Lisa. So much success that they had started their own family after a year of bonding. Time seemed to go by fast as the beavers chopped and built. Tyke and Lisa eventually brought their own beaver into the world, Mike. With this addition to the beaver family, Chipper was happy to have a new addition to the company soon enough. But as Mike grew up, one day Chipper had gone missing. The remaining beavers quickly scrambled along the acres of land to find their missing beaver member and founder. After a few hours of searching, they had come to the conclusion that Chipper was gone. The family still had hope and did not plan to presume him as dead. Tyke, being the fatherly figure his father once was, took the company into his arms and rebranded the company as Tyke and Sons Lumber Co. The story now goes on in the hands of Tyke and Mike to redefine the business under the brightest light.
Oh, okay. Well, little Mike, the day has come. No, not the beginning of not the beginning of summer or your coming of age, but me showing you out of your very air. That's what my father said to me when I was your age. Your grandpa Chipper was a great beaver. You can be proud to be his grandson. History said that you were never able to talk to him, even when you were really young. No one knows where he really went. Really weird if you ask me. Anyway, I'll give you full control of a little lumber company, and I want you to be a great successor. You'll spend your days building robots and crafting even more things from the lumber you'll be gathering. Thus, you'll soon be let free from this prison called home. It's time for you to explore the world. I'm going to be watching you from a very safe distance. I'm a professional. And you can come right after me if you work hard enough. But remember, no one beats good old Chipper, who truly was the best. Now get lost. Oops. This is your time to shine. We'll do it as soon as this text box disappears. Actually, before you go, check this walkie-talkie. That way you can stay in contact even if you are far away. As if that will ever happen. You should explore your little company first before I let you off the original whistle. Not going on your people, boy. Promise me you're proud that we are. Anyway, your first step is to plant some trees right next to the house. There's much space, so don't build useless things that we don't need, okay? I'll probably do it. If you want to relation to what I just said, press the walkie-talkie button, and that you'll see very soon. Good luck, son. See you later. Hold on. What is that? Go that tree, son. Do that. They're gonna have to spot what happened. Yay. Seal this So Good energy, man. Oh, yeah, oh, okay. Dinner. What happened? Hold on. That's a broken tree. All the trash for today. Trash space in front of the house. Okay. What a rough day. You wanna go to bed? Sure. Alright, let me open the cabinet for you. Since you're so hardworking, we can switch places. Take your torch to the room upstairs, I will take the attic. You big boy. No, good night, son. Do I sound like a grandpa? Later that night. What happened? Oh, oh, oh. Alright, close the curtains. Put right mouse to it. Okay. Alright. Go to bed when you're able to sleep again. No, no. I'll shoot home. Oh. What the? Oh! What's going on? How long do I have to do this? There's sleep assurance. Maybe if I fill it up, I can go to sleep. But it's already filled up. What am I gonna do? I can't sleep now. think something's wrong here. On. Oh, I guess there was a bug that made the sleep assurance like filled up. Okay, I heard some knocking when those things came from me. So I guess when I hear a knock, they might be in your room or the window. Do, 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 do. Wait, what? Bro. Oh, my zero change just went up. Okay, gotta replace my batteries. Go back, okay. What? Oh, oh, okay. Guess when my zero change went up, they already gone. Go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. You notice it? Alright. Alright. Can do this. Can do this. Okay, my assurance is up. So now press B to go bit. Oh. Wake up! The early bird catches the worm. Whatever to the clock. Good morning, son. Are you ready for round 2? I promised you yesterday. You can go explore the island now. I've opened up the cage for you. Don't worry, I wouldn't let you off without a very important text, that's for sure. Basic text. I mean, this is as important as me teaching how to walk on two legs, and that's pretty unusual for beavers. Your mother has a coffee shop in the town nearby, and you gotta make Seattle to go real quick. Little pro tip: you can find hidden coins if you click on certain objects around you. Oh, and about the trees, plant as many as you can. Or is it the only thing that makes them grow? No, no. Patience is the key to the success. Success. Okay, that's all I want to say. And don't forget about the macchiato. I think that's enough for now. So